This is the last day of our cruise, and we are back in Miami, Florida. We got to land about 6 o'clock in the morning, and I woke up because the ship quit moving. You know, you can feel when you're still at sea or you're tied up at port. And I got up, turned on my phone so I could call Drew and see how he was doing. And then I got the sad news that he had passed away on Friday. And I was hysterical. My good friend and my little brother was dead. This is the second part of our cruise on the same ship. And we're leaving Miami again. And just for your information, no, we didn't have to get off ship. We also kept our same room, which always makes it really nice situation.